everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about the second last kind of part of speech, which is the conjunction in detail with the help of some examples in just 4 minutes. So, let's get started. What is a conjunction? What is the definition of conjunction in English? Well, conjunction is a word that joins words or sentences. So, conjunction joins linked, connected over words and sentences with each others. Conjunctions joined or linked words or sentences and maybe the clauses or phrases with each others. As we already discussed in the conjunction definition, the conjunction joins words or sentences. Now we are going to talk about how conjunctions connect the words first. Example, first, Harry and John are friends. In this example, Harry is our first word and John is our second word. And in this sentence are conjunction because it's joining, connecting over two words, Harry and John. So it's a conjunction. Second, one and one makes two. Here, one is our first word and second one is our second word. So and is a conjunction because it's joining over two words, one and one. And now we are going to talk about how conjunctions connect the sentences. Examples. First, I like the chocolates, but it's not healthy. In this example, I like the chocolate is our first sentence. It's not healthy is our second sentence. So here, but is over our conjunctions because it's connecting, linking over two sentences. So it's a conjunction of sentences. Second, he is a poor but decent man. In this example, he is a poor our first sentence and decent man is our second sentence. Here, but is also a conjunctions because it's connecting over sentences. So these are the conjunctions of sentences that connect the sentences. Now we are going to talk about the types of conjunction. In English, there are 7 types of conjunction, which are first, for, second, and, third, nor, fourth, but, fifth, or, sixth, yet, seventh, so. So these are the 7 conjunctions in English. Now I am going to tell you a trick about these conjunctions to remember them easily. So the trick hidden in their first alphabet of each the conjunctions. For first letter F, and, a, nor, m, but, be, or, o, yet, y, so, s. So we need their first alphabet each of the conjunctions. So the words and our trick become fanboys. So the fanboys is the easiest words to remember these 7 conjunctions in English. We are going to talk about these 7 conjunctions examples one by one. First, he was hungry and tired. In this example, hungry and tired are 2 separate feelings. So here and is our conjunctions which separate 2 feelings. Second, I cannot read or I cannot write. So here I cannot read either or cannot write. So here we are showing our 2 impossibilities. Can't read or can't write. So here or is our conjunctions with joinings over 2 words. Studied hard but he couldn't pass. So here Harry studied hard our first sentence and couldn't pass our second sentence. So here but is our conjunctions with joining over 2 sentences. Do you want tea or coffee? So here we are asking somebody's choice, tea or coffee. So we use here conjunction or. I ran fast yet I came last. Here we try it. I ran fast yet I came last. I was hungry, so I ate the food. Here, I was hungry. We are giving somebody, some persons a reason. So I ate the food. So we used here so conjunction. I ate chocolate for I was hungry. Here we are also giving a reason. So for is a conjunction here. It's connecting 2 sentences. So this is all about today's lecture about the conjunction. Hope so you got it. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more and like the video. Thanks for watching.